Tropical fruits are not just sweet treats. They are nutrient-dense survival foods, designed by nature to hydrate the body, support digestion, boost immunity, restore energy, repair cells. That's why they thrive in hot climates. Today, you'll learn why tropical fruits are powerful, how each one works inside your body, the best time to eat them, how much to eat, common mistakes, and how to use them correctly for maximum benefit. Why tropical fruits are unique. Tropical fruits generally have high water content, contain digestive enzymes, are rich in antioxidants, support heat regulation. They are especially beneficial for fatigue, digestive issues, poor appetite, dehydration, weak immunity. Now let's go fruit by fruit. 1. Mango. Why mango matters. Mango is a nutritional repair fruit. Key nutrients and compounds. Vitamin A, vitamin C, polyphenol. What it does in the body. Supports skin and eye health. Boosts immunity. Improves digestion. Best time to eat. Morning or early afternoon. Who benefits most? People with low energy, poor appetite, weak immunity. Quantity: 1/2 to 1 cup. How to eat. Ripe mango, eaten alone. Common mistake: eating mango late at night, which may cause heaviness. You are highly welcome to this channel, which is dedicated to showing you how natural foods can support health, prevent disease, and nourish the body from the inside out. With simple yet practical healthy eating habits you can apply daily. If this is something that interests you, kindly consider subscribing. 2. Papaya. Why papaya matters. Papaya is a digestive healer. Key nutrients: papain enzyme, vitamin A, vitamin C. What it does: breaks down proteins, reduces bloating, supports gut health. Best time: morning, empty stomach. Quantity: 1 cup ripe papaya. How to eat. Plain, fresh. Important note: avoid unripe papaya if pregnant. 3. Pineapple. Why pineapple matters. Pineapple reduces inflammation. Key compounds: bromelain, vitamin C. What it does: supports digestion, reduces swelling, supports immunity. Best time: between meals. Quantity: 1 cup. How to eat. Fresh, not canned. 4. Guava. Why guava matters. Guava is one of the richest vitamin C fruits. Key nutrients: vitamin C, fiber, antioxidants. What it does: boosts immunity, supports digestion, improves skin health. Best time: morning. Quantity: 1 medium guava. How to eat. Raw, well washed. Common mistake: discarding seeds. Chew them properly instead. 5. Coconut. Why coconut matters. Coconut supports hydration and energy. Forms and benefits: coconut water, electrolytes. Coconut meat, healthy fats. What it does: prevents dehydration, supports brain and muscle function, improves digestion. Best time: morning or after physical activity. Quantity: 1 cup coconut water or 2 to 3 tablespoons coconut meat. Important note: avoid sweetened coconut products. 6. Passion fruit. Why passion fruit matters. Passion fruit supports relaxation and digestion. Key nutrients: fiber, vitamin C, polyphenol. What it does: supports gut health, calms the nervous system, boosts immunity. Best time: afternoon or evening. Quantity: 1 to 2 fruits. How to eat. Scoop pulp and seeds. Daily tropical fruit routine. Morning, papaya, guava, coconut water. Midday, mango, pineapple. Afternoon, passion fruit. Evening, light coconut meat if needed. Rotate fruits instead of eating all at once. Important disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. People with diabetes should monitor portion sizes due to natural sugars. Always listen to your body. Which tropical fruit do you enjoy the most? Comment below and share this video with someone who loves tropical fruits. If you found this helpful, like the video. Subscribe for more fruit-based wellness education. Turn on notifications. Next video, fruits that reduce stress and anxiety.